everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to turn on game mode on your iOS 18. iOS 18 does not have a specific game mode feature. Simply go ahead and open up any game on your iPhone. As soon as you do that, game mode is designed to activate automatically when a game is launched. You will not need to turn on any game mode option on iOS 18. All you need to do is simply launch open a game and start playing. So that is what you'll need to know regarding turning on game mode on iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.